Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're so excited to welcome yet another new member to the Leverage Profit System. We want you to enjoy this video, guys. I'm going to show you how to properly welcome a new member. Cannot be more excited. This thing is heating up, guys, going into the winter of the year, guys, into the fall season. We're getting ready to win so big. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I am super excited to bring you this video, Cash is King. Folks, Leverage Profit Systems is absolutely incredible. We're very excited about Leverage Profit System. It is changing lives. It's changed me and my family lives, guys. And I'm going to welcome another new member. We had a package come in just the other day. And just following a few profit steps, guys, getting traffic to the website. And you do it over and over and over again. Remain consistent. The sky can be the limit. Income disclaimer, nothing in life happens until you take action. I want to welcome our new member, Mrs. Wright, to the program. You know who you are. You're watching the video. Could not be more excited about it. And we're going to go from there. She joined that and also joined the Millionaire Mailer in the process. So she joined two programs in one. This is exciting times, guys. Cash is king. We want to be able to introduce you to a system that will create a lifestyle. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Stay as long as you want to stay. Create financial freedom. Guys, this thing will be phenomenal for many, many years to come. This is a system that it can run 15, 20 more years from now. And we want you to plug in. We're at the infinite stages, the beginning stages of something big. Let's be realistic. Money may not be the most important thing, but it comes reasonable close to oxygen. Folks, we're talking about creating a lifestyle for you and your family. When was the last time that you took your family on vacation and didn't worry about the price tag? You went out to eat, you went out to the mall, you bought what you wanted to buy. You did what you wanted to do. You stayed as long as you wanted to stay. Folks, this system is affording that for us. And I've got review. Now, it used to be the Prosperity People System. Prosperity People System, guys, look at my videos. I've got video after video proof of endless payments. Just came in with that program. And the Leverage Profit System is doing the same thing. I mean, endless proof, guys. Check out any of those videos. I've opened up envelope after envelope after envelope because the thing absolutely works. Now, we've got the Leverage Profit Systems, guys, and it's converting even higher than the Prosperity People System. Can you mail a postcard, guys? This is one of our postcards. Go from $0 to $10,000 per month. Just mail postcards. People are getting excited. You can mail postcards, text message marketing, ringless voicemail. We can turn on traffic like water, folks. Do you want 100 visitors a day? Do you want 1,000 visitors a week? Guys, we can get you so much traffic, your head will spin. And we know how to get it. And that's the key to success. It's getting enough people to see a proven offer. And folks, you can win. And if you get good, do a video post every now and then. Folks, it will help out even more. We've got something special here with this Leverage Profit Systems. Our system has worked for years for this simple system where we drive traffic, targeted traffic, to a lead capture page and people win. Well, here's the time. Let's open this thing up. This is all the way out of, I believe, Florida. I'm going to do like my sponsor Mike does sometime. There is the tracking number. You can pause the video. Came to me. There you go. And let's get this thing opened up. I'm not gonna reveal Mrs. Wright's full name. We're just gonna open this thing up. Reach down into here and see what we got. We've got, folks, y'all remember here in North Carolina, we don't have Winn-Dixie anymore. We had Winn-Dixie, but thanks, she put it in, did like she's supposed to. She sent me the tracking and got me some artwork on there. Very powerful. Wrote me a note on it. This is for the Millionaire Mailer. This is for Leverage Profit System. Millionaire Mailer, she paid for the Millionaire Mailer at the $500 level. The Leverage Profit System at the $1,500 level. She put in the total, the $1,847. And let's go through it, guys, and count it real quick. This is incredible, guys. For the sake of the video, guys, that right as I fan the money, that is $1,847. You know, actually, some folks actually count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 50. 1847. She's coming in, getting the upgrade. Guys, look at this. This can be your new reality. This comes in on a weekly basis, guys. I close at least one of these a week, sometimes 2 a week. Now, let me tell you what, folks. Let me tell you what if we can get you to get one a month? One a month. And then she sent this other for the $500 level in the Millionaire Mailer. Guys, I tell you what, times could not be more exciting than what we've got right here in front of our eyes. I mean, great things are happening. She sent that in for the Millionaire Mailer, and we are winning in these programs. Well, how do you do it? How do you do it? We've got targeted traffic, guys. That's another new member, Mrs. Wright. Welcome to the team. I'm going to send you a welcome email. It's going to have getting started instructions, the resources that we use. Nothing goes unturned. I got mailing labels, guys, that you can plug into that are tested and proven to work with our postcards. We got 3 or 4 postcard templates that are proven to convert when the right people see them. Guys, this is good times. Great things are happening, and we're moving forward with these systems. So very excited about that. No storing products, guys. Our products are built in. Step 1, watch the video. Step 2, choose the package. Step 3, make the call. This video right here, guys, is a game changer. This video, when people look at it, they are going to make an informed, intelligent decision as if the system for you. You ain't got to explain or anything. When people call, 9 times out of 10, they want a couple questions answered and they're ready to sign up. Period. Guys, and I can close sales for you. 10% of the sale. 10% goes to me. 90% to you if I can get the people to join. And I'm telling you what, guys, we get them on the phone, they'll join. They call that number 9 times out of 10. We got about a 92, 95% closing rate, meaning we can close about 9 out of every 10 people that call that number. That is incredible. You're going to assign a 800 number. It goes here and it will go on your site. Now, guys, what we got is called the upgrade bonuses here. If you come in at the 1,500, we'll upgrade you to 3,500 within 40 hours of talking to us. Same thing with the 35. We'll upgrade you to 75. And we'll just get you off to the races. This is some powerful stuff, people. Cash is king. And this right here, it's about altering your lifestyle. Developing the winner that's inside of you. Folks, let me tell you what. If you're on a job that you're not like, you got to break free, folks. You got to be able to get it, plug into a vehicle, grab hold of some people that are doing what you want to do, plug in and go along for the ride. Nothing to figure out. We have a plug and play system that once you plug in and go. Folks, the pandemic has caused our numbers to double, and we're getting signups from everywhere, from the north, east, and south. People are coming in. Our system is unique and effective. Our system does the work for real people like me and you. Just below, there's no selling. The number one reason why people fail is that they're not trained to be salespeople. Our proven sales system, you never have to sell anything to anybody. No products in inventory. Have you ever seen those programs you got a garage stuffed full of things that waste your time, that you'll never use, products that are physical. And we've got downloadable digital products, real world products with real world value that can help you increase your thinkability, increase your skill set, your mindset, help make you a better entrepreneur. Lunch with all these folks. It's incredible. That's one of the products that's in there. There's no begging family and friends. When was the last time you asked a family or friend member to join you? Folks, you never have to ask to do that. We run targeted traffic. People that have raised their hand and said, yes, I want to work from home. Yes, I want financial freedom. Yes, I want to make $1,500 per sale. Yes, I want to make $3,500 per sale. Folks, there are no hidden expenses. There are no monthly fees. You sign up. The program belongs to you forever. We've tipped the scales in your favor. Folks, this program is changing lives. People can work less while earning more, become debt-free. You can retire in style, help people are helping their families. They're donating to their church. They're leaving legacies with a system like this, upgrading their lifestyle. Finally, folks, stop worrying about money. That's incredible. Levels of participation. You can come in at 500, 1,500, 35, 75, and 11,000. Yes, people have joined at the $11,000 level. Again, if you come in at 500, we'll get you in there. You come in at 1,500, guys, within 40 hours of talking to a coach, we'll upgrade you to the 35. Come in at 35, within 40 hours, we'll upgrade you to $7,500. Guys, that's incredible. Same with the 75. Talk to us within 48 hours. We'll upgrade you to the $11,000 level. Folks, look at the products here. The bronze product package, it has a product package. This is what you get. The silver product package, this is what you get. The gold has a product package. Platinum has a product package. The diamond has a product package. All of these have a product package. Very exciting. Could not be more excited. The higher you go up in levels, the better, more products that you get. And as you go up in levels, you're going to automatically get the lower level product packages that's involved. Now, guys, this is powerful stuff. Very, very powerful stuff. You can get a chance. Hang on for a second. I'm going to show you some of the lead capture pages. Okay, here in the back office, we have several lead capture pages that you have privilege to promote with this program. We have a capture page here, unlimited massive cash payments at your door every week without selling. You can promote that one. And all these people can put their name, email address, and some of them have a phone number. And you can make the decision. Do you want their phone number or do you want just their name and email address? I find it helpful, guys, just to have them put their name and email address. It works effective. Here is another one. Stop chasing the next shiny object. Here's another one, guys. Let me just open up one. So what you think about that thing? Look at that. Warning. That thing will get people's attention. If you want to work less while earning more, we want to work less, guys. If you find what you love to do and you do it consistently, you'll never work a day in your life. Find what you want to do it consistently. You will never work a day in your life. It's your turn, guys. Start watching this life-changing video. And those are the capture pages, guys. I really like this one. This one resonates, guys, I think because of the money figure in it. People are liking it. Some of the other leaders in the program are using it, guys, and it is very powerful. When you get a chance, guys, I want you to come over here, celebrate. I want to show you one more thing. Look at all the testimonials. Let's go to the bottom. I think we got testimonials down here at the bottom of some great people in the program. Here's some great individuals. Check out the testimonials, guys. These people are having success in this program, and we could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Bob Schwartz, Mike. We got Mike here, and some of the other great leaders, Fred, and some of the other great people that are in this program. And they're loving it. And so I'm not the only one having success. People, I got a guy in Virginia, guys, that has not ever done a video. All he's doing is mailing a proven postcard. I have a proven postcard that you're going to have access to when you partner with me. And he's just mailing 300 to 400 postcards every single week, rain or shine. And guys, he's bringing in 1 to 2 people every single month. 1 month he had 3 people. and he never done a video. All right, guys. Not prosperity. Leverage profit systems. Leverage profit systems is where you want to be. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Welcome to Miss Wright. And we'll see you at the top. Let's go get them. We've got some more people we want to welcome in here very shortly. Get started today, guys. If you're ready to get started, leave a message. A coach will call you back and give you getting started instructions.